How much does the average person really know about desalination plants? They provide clean drinking water from salt water and help hundreds of millions of people around the globe. These are all true, but part of the story is not making it into the mainstream thoughts of everyday people. Desalination plants provide relief to millions, but there is a cost, an environmental cost. Desalination plants convert salt water from the ocean into safe drinking water, which now serves more than 300 million people around the globe. The problem is that the rest of the solution is turned into brine water, which is often ejected back into coastal areas of the ocean. Brine water is a highly concentrated solution of salt, often characterized by 5% salinity and above. It may not seem like a problem to add salt water to an already salty solution, but the amount of salt is crucial to the marine environment, which often hovers around 3.5%. Desalination plants only have a recovery ratio of 0.42, which means that the remaining 68% is converted to brine water and poses risk to marine species because there is a specific amount of salt intake that many fish can tolerate. Disrupting the levels of salt in the water can prevent species from continuing to exist in these regions. The excess salt in the water decreases the amount of dissolved oxygen in the water. Several species that live on the bottom of the seafloor are suffocated and as a result cannot survive in these conditions. Chemical compounds such as copper and chlorine are added to the desalination process to reduce bacteria growth and corrosion and can make their way back into the ocean through brine. This can poison marine life living near the seafloor as the denser water sinks. There are three main effects. The increased salinity makes osmosis, the diffusion of water, and the photosynthetic process more energetically costly. 2. This disrupts food webs from a bottom-up effect, meaning that the decline of primary production will affect animals in all stages. 3. Brine water causes ocean currents to alter as the denser water sinks with surface water replacing it. This creates abnormal currents which disorients animals who migrate.